शिवाज ब्लेसिंग। ये कहानी एक बॉलीवुड की मूवी की तरह है, जहाँ पे एक गरीब बच्चा जो कि न्यूज़पेपर सेल करता है, वो न्यूज़पेपर सेलिंग से लेकर एक बड़ी कंपनी का जनरल मैनेजर ओवरसीज़ इंटरनेशनल कैसे बनता है, ये वो कहानी है। इस कहानी के जो किरदार है वो है शिवा, जो कि एक 14 साल का बच्चा है जो ICSE स्कूल मारुति स्कूल में पढ़ता है। उसके पिताजी है नरेंद्र, जो कि एक लॉरी ड्राइवर है, और लॉरी भी उनकी खुद की नहीं है, वो रेंट पे चलाते हैं। उसकी बहन है योगेश्वरी, जो कि ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर फूल बेचने का काम करती है या गार्लैंड बेचने का काम करती है। तो ऐसी कहानी है। टाइटल ये कहानी का है शिवाज ब्लेसिंग। तो शिवाज ब्लेसिंग ये टाइटल, कौन है शिवा का ब्लेसिंग, इस कहानी में ये जो क्यूरियासिटी है, वो क्यूरियासिटी किल करने के लिए मैं आज आपके सामने आ रहा। What happens in the story is that there is a boy 14 years old, Shiva. Actually, he doesn't have 15,000 rupees to pay for his fees. He's very poor. His dad is lorry driver. His sister Yogeshwari, who sells garlands at traffic signal. There is a problem of eating. So in such situation, how to arrange 15,000 rupees for the sake of his school fees, he was in that particular dilemma. So one day when he was dropping a newspaper in one of the bungalows, he could see Krishna Vedavasa. And Krishna Vedavasa was washing car, and this was an opportunity Shiva could see. He went straight away to Krishna Vedavasa and tell him that he also washed cars. Actually, behind telling this particular message, behind telling this particular thing is that Shiva wanted the work or the job of car washing so that he should earn something and he could pay the fees of his school. So obviously Krishna Vedavasa was surprised and he asked, why do you want to wash car? Because at his age Shiva should go to school. Then Shiva narrated everything, that how he is having crunch of money, how he is supposed to pay 15,000 rupees towards his fees, and if he doesn't pay, then his name would be struck off from the school. So Krishna Vedavasa again he counter questions that, but I don't know you. Obviously, how can a stranger give 15,000 rupees? Not even today. So he is very honest. Shiva is very honest, and he simply says, you don't pay me the school fees, you simply go to the school and pay the fees. So believing in him, Krishna Vedavasa goes to his school and surprisingly finds that Shiva is absolutely honest and he is always a topper in the school. That's why when Krishna Vedavasa meets, he says that don't worry, I will be paying your fees, and you did not worry, you need not drop these newspapers, and you did not do any manual work, you simply concentrate over your studies. But Shiva knows that only school fees is not, bread and butter is also his problem. So he continues with his paper selling business and all. He works hard. Not only that, he also helps his mom, dad. He also starts working in one of the stores so that he can support his family. As usual, Shiva stands topper in the school. Based on the advice of Krishna Vedavasa, Shiva takes the science stream. He clears 12th standard also. Based on the advice of Krishna Vedavasa, Shiva opts for engineering. He completes his engineering in computer science. So after completion of his engineering, Shiva gets so many job offers. But again Krishna Vedavasa says that you not worry about it, you prepare for IIM. And it is Krishna Vedavasa who prepares him for the CAT examination, that is entrance examination. He pays his class fees. Not only that, he also trains him in English and group discussion. So Krishna Vedavasa is really the blessing of Shiva. Based on his blessing only, Shiva, from the paper seller boy to become an IIM graduate, IIM postgraduate from Calcutta, IIM Calcutta. After completion of his MBA, he becomes the general manager of. Point is, Point is, and after that Shiva's plan is that to work just for the sake of 4 or 5 years, and so that he can repay the loan that he had taken. And later on, Shiva also wants to help the person who is needy like him. So this is the story, a small story. It suits like a Bollywood movie, but point is the different morals from these stories that we need to take. Number one, Shiva is the person who is hardworking, who is not disappointed because he is poor. Rather, in order to win over, or in order to uh, pay his fees, he always searches the opportunity. He always finds the way to come out of it. And luckily, he finds Krishna Vedavasa in his life. And Krishna Vedavasa is the blessing that pays every year, pays his fees. So it gives us the moral that don't stop. Doesn't matter you are poor, you need to find out the way. And one day you may find the way. Second thing is that through Shiva itself, we can understand that hard work always pays. Krishna Vidyavyasa, when advises Shiva that he should opt for science stream, he goes for it. Not only that, whatever work Krishna Vidyavyasa assigns Shiva, he completes it very honestly. So it shows that hard work always pays. And if we follow the footprints or advice of our mentors like Krishna Vedavasa, we are bound to be successful in our life. उतना ही नहीं, हमें और एक सीख मिलती है कि हमें जैसे किसी मेंटोर ने अगर हमें मदद करी, तो उसी प्रकार आगे चल के जब हम उस पोजीशन में आएंगे, किसी को मदद करने की पोजीशन में, व्हेन यू वुड बी इन द पोजीशन टू हेल्प समवन नीडी, you should take the opportunity and to help the needy, so that the story of Shiva continues further. और ये स्टोरी कोई बॉलीवुड की स्टोरी नहीं है. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली हैपनिंग. शिवा इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर एंड यू कैन सर्च ऑन यूट्यूब. शिवाज story is already there on YouTube. Rather, I would say whatever stories have been prescribed in your syllabus diploma first semester, all these stories are original stories. They are not fictitious. So this is highly motivational story, Shiva's blessing, which is prescribed in your syllabus. I hope you must have understood it. Thank you so much.